Mountain Award. But in one sentence, I can say that we have instituted this award long back in 2007-8, and from that time, this award has become so visible, credible, acceptable by the world leaders. It is being given the entire 5 continents in the globe. Many Nobel laureates, President, Prime Minister of many countries have received this award, and this award has become the most coveted prize in the globe. Many great persons are now very much interested to see how and when their name will be in this list. So today we are all present for this ceremony, and I am very much happy that we have got the befitting persons, first citizen of our state, His Excellency Honorable Governor of Odisha, to present this Key Simantan Award to Dr. Arya Grasa. Dr. Arya S. Grasa, President of the Federation International Volleyball and a global icon in the world of sports and human tourism. Today we gather in Bhubaneswar, a city that has been cradle of transformation and peace, much like the story of Emperor Ashoka, who once ruled this very land. His journey from war to peace symbolizes the spirit that we strive to uphold here at Kitankish. This Key Simantan Award, since its inception 2008, I have already told you, has become the very popular and everything, and because of the recipient, we are so grateful. His Holiness Dalai Lama, Professor Muhammad Yunus, Bill Gates, many recipients are in this line. Dr. Grasa, your journey as an athlete and later as a visionary leader has reshaped volleyball globally. More than that, your tireless efforts in promoting sports as a tool for empowerment have touched the lives of countless underprivileged children, particularly in Brazil, South America. You have championed the volleyball as a game and platform to bring people together, foster inclusivity, and create opportunity where there were none. Your work mirrors what we at KISS strive to achieve, using sports and education as instruments of social change. KISS has transformed the lives of 80,000 tribal children and millions indirectly, and our mission aligns with yours to nurture talent, develop individuals, and create a brighter future for all. I am deeply honored by your decision to partner with us and to promote volleyball at the grassroots level in India and particularly Odisha. Our MOU between KISS and FIB definitely will strengthen these things, and you are launching the scholarship, Dr. Arya Grasa and Dr. Samantha, to the athletes in volleyball will definitely motivate many people. So the presence of Dr. Grasa here today is particularly emotional for me. You believe me, before 4 years, I met this great person in his Guinness Book of World Record for KISS. And I will request Honorable Governor of Odisha that Guinness Book of World Record judge is sitting here. He has much interest to deliver this record certificate within 1 minute in the hands of the Governor of Odisha to KISS. So, with all humility and simplicity, I welcome you, Dr. Grasa. Thank you very much for coming all the way. The presence of Dr. Grasa in Odisha, we are really humble. Thank you very much, sir.
65% of its student body is female. KISS, deemed to be university, is the first and largest exclusive tribal university in the world. KISS has been successfully implementing the Sustainable Development Goals 2030. KISS is the recipient of UNESCO International Literacy Prize 2022. It is a unique educational initiative for social transformation and change.
Conceptualized and the brainchild of visionary humanitarian and educationist Professor Achyuta Samanta, founder of KIIT and KISS. The award was initiated. KISS is one of the greatest humanitarian works going on for the last 32 years, and it recognizes individuals who do similar work on a large scale to inspire others. The award consists of a citation square that depicts a great social message given in a public function at KISS. The gold-plated trophy.
KISS is one of the greatest humanitarian works going on for the last 32 years, and it recognizes individuals who do similar work on a large scale to inspire others. The award consists of a citation scroll and a gold-plated trophy that depicts a great social message given in a public function at KISS. The gold-plated trophy embodies a golden heart of a humanitarian with the virtues of purity, kindness, prosperity, and hope. It features a pair of hands uplifting a heart, which is textured with shapes resembling breathing hands that symbolize how a pair of dedicated hands can make a significant difference in the lives of the helpless and make the world a better place to live in. Past recipients include 2008, Ms. Edna Bomo Moleva, noted social worker and Honorable Cabinet Minister, Social Development, South Africa National Assembly, South Africa. 2009, Dr. Han Ki-sun, eminent educationist and physician and Honorable President and Founder, Hanseo University, South Korea. 2010, Right Honorable Anuruddha Jagannath, eminent social worker and His Excellency the President of Mauritius. 2011, Right Honorable Lord Nicholas Anderson Phillips, President, Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of the United Kingdom. 2012, His Excellency Leon Chen Jigme Y Thinley, Honorable Prime Minister, the Royal Government of Bhutan. 2013, Madame Albina du Bois-Lovre, Founder, Association François Javier Bagnon, FXB International, Switzerland. 2014, Ms. Annie F. Stenhammer, former Regional Program Director, UN Women, South Asia Regional Office. 2015, His Excellency Dr. Alejandro Toledo, former President of Peru. 2016, Ms. Ashley Judd, Hollywood actor, activist, and Global Goodwill Ambassador, UNFPA. 2017, His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama, Nobel Laureate 2005, and spiritual leader. 2018, Professor Muhammad Yunus, Nobel Laureate, founder Grameen Bank, Bangladesh. 2019, Dr. Dansa Koroma, President, National Transition Council of Guinea, Guinea.
Mr. Ratan N. Tata, Chairman of Tata Trust, has been conferred with the prestigious KISS Humanitarian Award 2021.
(2022), Her Excellency Mama Rachel Ruto, EGH First Lady of the Republic of Kenya. 2023, Mr. Bill Gates, co-founder and former CEO, Microsoft and co-chair, Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. The award conferment ceremony for the year 2020 has not taken place due to COVID-19. The award has garnered significant interest from both domestic and international media and has become highly sought after over the years. It has been bestowed upon 2 Nobel laureates, 3 heads of state, leading philanthropists from around the globe, and individuals representing 5 continents. The KISS Humanitarian Award has gained immense prestige through the recognition of its recipients, embodying the essence of thoughtful humanitarian intervention for uplifting humanity. It is most appropriate that such recognition originates from KISS.
In 1943, in the heart of Brazil, Ari Gracia's love for volleyball began early. As a young player, Ari represented his country in the 1960s and 70s, gaining first-hand experience on the court. In 1997, Ari Gracia took the reins as president of the Brazilian Volleyball Confederation, or CBV.
You cannot imagine how happy I am to be here with you. It's a kind of dream.
Under his leadership, Brazil became a powerhouse in the volleyball world. His focus on grassroots development and high-performance training pushed Brazil's national teams to incredible heights, winning gold at the 2004 Olympics. But Ari Gracia's ambitions went even further. In 2012, he was elected president of the FIVB, the International Volleyball Federation, becoming the first Latin American to hold this prestigious role.
Believe, to make a good staff, professional staff, we must rank as a company.
Gracia immediately set out to modernize volleyball, expanding its reach across the globe. The creation of the Volleyball Nations League in 2018 being one of his greatest achievements, a tournament designed to bring fast-paced, exciting volleyball to fans around the world. Gracia also embraced technology with video challenge systems and advanced stats, making the game more engaging for modern audiences. A firm advocate for gender equality, Gracia has worked tirelessly to ensure that both men's and women's teams are treated equally, with equal prize money and opportunities across all FIVB tournaments. Ari Gracia is so keen to promote volleyball that he signed an MOU with Professor Dr. Achyuta Samanta, founder of KISS, to integrate the sport into its activities, providing volleyball training to school children and establishing it as a hub for youth teams. As he continues to lead FIVB, Ari Gracia's vision for the future is clear. To keep volleyball growing, innovating, and inspiring millions across every continent. His legacy is not just in the victories on the court, but in the lasting impact on the global volleyball community. Ari Gracia, shaping the future of volleyball.
Into a powerful tool for inclusion, unity, and social progress. Advantageous backgrounds by providing them October 2000 has been truly exemplary. We are privileged to have
has followed Pele. I myself have had the privilege of going to 3 Olympics. I went to the Sydney Olympics, the Athens Olympics and the Beijing Olympics. Not as a participant, I went as a spectator because I have all my life loved sports. And myself, I did play, as I mentioned to you off the stage, that I used to play basketball at one point of time. Ashok is here. I came into contact with him in the year 2000 when I happened to get elected to the assembly for the second time, and I was given the portfolio of industry at that point of time, and technical education was a part of my department, and he would be regularly coming to me with his issues, I won't say problems, with his issues, and we tried to help out and guide him in whatever manner, and I'm happy to see the gigantic heights that KISS, KIMS and KIT have achieved today. I once again thank Dr. Achyut Samant for having given me the privilege of being with such an august gathering along with the Honorable His Excellency the Governor Raghuvar Das ji.
We have here represented by all those beautiful people. So, this recognition from much of an organization dedicated to empower communities through education and social development is truly special. Education is the safe of the world. I'm saying that thinking also in my country that we have to do what he's doing here. For the past 12 years, as FMB president, and through many nations which use the global reach and power of volleyball to support communities, projects worldwide that have a positive impact. We have provided opportunities to people around the globe. When I was a candidate to be the president of FMB, I said my promise was innovation for the rich and opportunities for the poor. And today I can tell you openly, I delivered. All the countries in Africa is playing volleyball. All 54 countries is playing volleyball. We have broken down barriers and offered hope to communities. It's this word hope. That's what people need. Only to one person. But this is the moment to make a great thankful to Dr. Samantha for his shot. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you please allow me, I'd like to say a few words about Dr. Samantha. I'm sorry. And with this trophy, we're going to share with the whole world what is Kit and Kiss. An example that is much better. This is very important, what I'm going to say now. What's the importance of him, in my opinion, is because he wants only to give, not to receive. This is a very good philosophy. As you told me, you start the Kit and Kiss, you told me, with $100. Only $100 in your pocket. And 2 rented apartments. Now I have seen today, in a visit to the universities and kids, how big your work is. It's unbelievable. Thank you for creating a better world through sport. Thank you for using volleyball as a tool for fostering collaboration, teamwork, and inclusivity here in your institution. Congratulations. If you allow me, I'm gonna give you.
Professor Achyuta Samanth, who have made an exceptional contribution to volleyball and beach volleyball. It is the honorable founder was chosen by the jury for this extraordinary.
Confer me his love and affection through this great award. I accept with all my simplicity, humility, and gratitude. Thank you, Honorable President, that giving me so much happiness and inspiration to work further for the people in the society, particularly in the sports. I dedicate this great award of the FIB in the name and style Grand Cross. It is given only to one person, and who must be the head of the state, etc., in 220 countries for the contribution in these sports. I dedicate this award to the people of the state of Odisha and also particularly sports fraternity. As it is a global award, I dedicate to the love and affection of the people of the Odisha. They have shown me in the last 33 years.
जी और संवर्धन समारोह में उपस्थित होकर बेहद प्रसन्नता हो रही है। किस ह्यूमन ट्रेन अवार्ड ने राष्ट्रीय और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय ध्यान आकृष्ट किया है, क्योंकि यह पुरस्कार अक्सर हमने और सम्मानित करने से यह पुरस्कार महत्वपूर्ण सामाजिक मुद्दों के बारे में जागरूकता बढ़ाने और अधिक समावेशी, दयालु और न्यायपूर्ण दुनिया के लिए सामूहिक कार्रवाई को प्रेरित करने में मदद करता है। इस पुरस्कार के माध्यम से न केवल जनजाति क्षेत्र में एक प्रतिष्ठित संस्थान के रूप में, बल्कि एक अधिक न्याय संगत और न्यायपूर्ण दुनिया बनाने के लिए वैश्विक मानवीय प्रयासों के प्रतीक के रूप में अपनी भूमिका को मजबूत करता है। मैं इस प्रतिष्ठित पुरस्कार की स्थापना के लिए किस और किस के फाउंडर डॉक्टर अचित सामंत को बधाई देता हूँ, जिन्होंने शिक्षा और समाज के क्षेत्र में अपनी भूमिका को बखूबी से निभाया है। हमारे यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री आदरणीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी अक्सर कहा करते हैं कि सही विकास तब होता है जब समाज के अंतिम व्यक्ति तक विकास की किरण पहुंचे। किस विकसित भारत की भावना को प्रतिफलित करते हुए समाज के हर वर्ग के उत्थान के लिए प्रयास करता है। इस साल पुरस्कार के प्राप्तकर्ता डॉक्टर आर्या एस ग्राका, जिन्होंने पिछले 12 वर्षों से जुनून के साथ सफलतापूर्वक नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं। उन्होंने खेल को नई ऊंचाई तक पहुंचाने, खिलाड़ियों को प्रेरित करने और वॉलीबॉल खेल के माध्यम से समुदाय को एक साथ लाने में मदद कर रहे हैं। मैं पहलों और गतिविधियों के माध्यम से फेडरेशन दुनिया भर में वॉलीबॉल खेल की निरंतर वृद्धि होगा। उन्होंने वॉलीबॉल के भीतर लैंगिक समानता को बढ़ावा देने के लिए प्रतिबद्ध है। खेल और प्रशासनिक दोनों पहलुओं में महिला भागीदारी को सक्रियता के साथ प्रोत्साहित करते आ रहे हैं। उनके नेतृत्व में खेल जगत एक क्रांतिकारी परिवार निर्माण करने में सक्षम हुआ। खेल के साथ उन्होंने ब्राजील और समग्र दक्षिण अमेरिका के युवाओं को जीवन धारा को विकसित करने के लिए उनकी निष्ठा प्रशंसनीय है। उन्होंने खेल के माध्यम से लोगों को एकजुट करना, उच्चतम स्वास्थ्य को बढ़ावा देना और सामाजिक परिवर्तन के साथ बच्चों को सशक्त करने का प्रयास किया। इस अवसर पर मैं किस को विशेषकर बधाई देता हूं, जो विश्व वॉलीबॉल फेडरेशन के साथ समझौता और सहभागिता के जरिए हमारे उड़ीसा के, हमारे देश के युवा खिलाड़ियों को तैयार कर रहे हैं और वॉलीबॉल को नीचे के स्तर से ऊपर उठाने के लिए उनका सहयोग सराहनीय है। भारत के खूबसूरत राज्य उड़ीसा की पहली यात्रा के दौरान यह पुरस्कार प्राप्त करने पर खेल प्रशासक डॉक्टर आर्या को हार्दिक बधाई देता हूँ और मुझे विश्वास है कि यात्रा उनके लिए बेहद यादगार रहेगी। मैं उनकी प्रशंसा करता हूँ, जिन्होंने केवल मैदान पर बल्कि अपने अथक प्रयासों और अटूट समर्पण के माध्यम से मैदान के बाहर भी प्रेरित किया है। उन्होंने साबित कर दिया है कि उम्र एक अंतर बनने में कोई बाधा नहीं है। जुनून, विनम्रता और एक उदार दिल के साथ कोई भी अपने सुनहरे वर्षों में भविष्य को अच्छी तरह से आकार देना जारी रख सकता है।
His Excellency, another one small event is there. I have told you in the beginning that today